Handy Hudsonite here. I have a two-way radio that takes AA batteries, which I have run out of, but I'm going to show you a hack for how you can use AAA batteries in place of AA to get that two-way radio or whatever takes AA batteries, getting it working again. Here are the materials that we're going to need to make the conversion from AAA to AA batteries for your device. Just basic aluminum foil that you would use in the kitchen, of course your AAA batteries or whatever batteries you're trying to adapt, and here are my two-way radios that I want to be able to get these powered so that in the case of an emergency we have a way of communicating with one another, and some heavy-duty scissors that I got from Harbor Freight. Be sure to check out my video on the impact driver from Harbor Freight. And then some, just some pliers, some needle nose pliers. This will help you to just crimp down the foil when it gets small. Now, in the case if you're in a situation where you don't have access to this type of tool, that's fine. I was able to actually make the adaptation for this radio, my blue radio, without the pliers, but I'll show you how to do it here for the orange one. So what you want to do is you want to take foil, and you want to take probably about a 4-inch width of foil. Try not to tear it if you can. And then what I'm going to do is cut this in half. This should be enough foil for one of the batteries, and I'm just going to fold it, try to fold it neatly, because we want to try to get it to be as much of a square as we can and not too big so that it fits in the terminal in my two-way radio. Now get it down to here, and this is where I might need my pliers to bend it over again. Makes it just a lot easier to get it flat when you've got a tool like this. But the other issue that I'm going to have here is there we go. Hopefully that's going to be thick enough. Let's open up the back of my radio. Now this takes 3 batteries. Now let's see if that's going to be thick enough for... Okay, well, we'll go with that. It's close. Ideally you want it to be pretty snug with that terminal. We'll try that. And take my second piece of foil and fold this down just as neatly as we can. Now, if you're in a situation where you're in a hurry, this just try to be, as precise as you can. Yeah, these needle nose pliers definitely make this job easier. And what I'm going to do is kind of just smash this, though I might distort it too much that it doesn't fit in the terminal, but we'll give that a shot. Now, my battery in the middle goes the opposite direction. So I'm always putting it out on the negative terminal side. It's just easier. It just goes up against it easier than the positive side there. It'll just stay in place better. Now that's a better fit than the first one I did. I might have to redo the first one. Okay. So we got that in place. Let's do one more. Okay. The moment of truth. Let's see if this powers on. It's on. There we go. Now here, you can see, I'll show you what I did here. This one took me a little, this actually looks a little neater, but this is what I did by hand. As you can see, they're just on the negative terminal of the battery. So just to prove that this has AAA as well, There we go. 2 working. Hello, hello. Testing, testing. 2 working, 2-way radios. We'll give this a thumbs up for sure. So I've got my two two-way radios working without AA batteries, using a AAA battery hack. And now I have these ready for any emergency, ready to go, and I didn't even have to go out to buy 2A AA batteries. Appreciate you watching. Hope this has been helpful for you in being able to continue to keep your electronics going even if you've run out of particular batteries. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews like this one. And make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can get content when it goes up on my channel. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.